Hello guys, this is Sunny Kumar from MNC Part 2 and I am from IIT BHU, and today I am back again with another question scoreboard queries of January Circuit 2021. So, if you before proceeding to the question, I will ask the viewers to subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel, Code with Sunny, because we will be uploading the latest contest questions and we will be uploading topics soon. And to get for the latest updates, you need to press the bell icon. Now there are n plus 1 players. N players have already played and scores are given as an array of n integers. Now the player we have to add n plus 1th player, and we have to decide what are the before playing he wants to know the number of ranks he can secure so that he can decide its strategy. So for we will be basically adding n plus 1th player, and we have to say for each query there will be q queries. We will be updating nth player scores to some random value r. So for each query we will have to say the number of different ranks that n plus 1th player can get. Let's understand this question mathematically. Then we will take an example from the problem statement, that is n equal to 5, and there is an array, suppose 2 1 1 5 2. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to sort this array to understand what will be the rank. So n plus 1, let's suppose n plus 1th player has a rank, has a score a. Okay, so so the basic key observation is that the n plus 1th player can occupy ranks of each of the already present players. So rank of 5 will, so 5 will have some rank, 2 will have combinedly some rank, 1 will have combinedly some rank. So the players A will can score ranks of each distinct scores present in the array. Okay, and there is one more key observation, that for all here a can score a can be can acquire the ranks of any of the distinct element present in the array, plus we have to add one more, we have to add one more value, one more, so sorry, the n plus 1th player can score one more rank by acquiring the score greater than the maximum score. That is, if a will be somewhat called 10 or 6 or 7, then the rank of a will be first, and it will be one more, it will be one extra rank than the n plus 1th player can score. So basically the question is very simple. I am moving to the implementation part of this question. Okay, now here I am taking an n and q's number of queries, and we are storing all the values in a hash table, its frequency and the number. And now we are for each query we have taken an element. We are going to change the value of else position score to some random score, and we are decreasing its count from a map hash table, and if the count goes to 0 we are decreasing this entry from the hash table, and we are adding the modified value to an hash table, and we are changing the entry in of vector to our new value, and our answer will be one more if the n plus 1 player score more, if n plus 1th player score the maximum among all the, more than the maximum among all the scores that are currently present, plus all the scores he can occupy among the already present. So answer will be map dot size plus 1. So basically this is the simplest one, and if you want the code, it is already present in the description section below. I will ask the viewers to like this video, share this video, and do comment if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching this video.